Maximize profits with pre-market trading. Welcome to the dawn of a new day, a new opportunity. Today we're discussing pre-market trading. This is the time when you can set yourself apart, capitalize on opportunities, and maximize your profits before most traders have had their first cup of coffee. Let's start at the beginning. Pre-market trading is the trading activity that occurs before the regular market session. It's not for the faint-hearted, but for those who dare to wake up and seize the opportunity. Imagine having the upper hand, making critical decisions while the rest of the market is still asleep. This is the edge pre-market trading offers. It's about making the first move, about being proactive, not reactive. But why should you consider it? It's simple. Pre-market trading allows you to react swiftly to news and events that can impact a stock's price. Yes, it's about staying ahead of the game, about being informed, and about making informed decisions. Think about it. A company announces earnings at 8 a.m. You're one step ahead. You've analyzed, you've strategized, and now you're ready to act. While others are scrambling, you're executing. This is the power of pre-market trading. Yet, it's not all about making quick bucks. It's also about risk management. Pre-market trading offers you a unique opportunity to manage your trading risks better. It's about being able to position yourself strategically and profitably before the market opens. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Pre-market trading demands discipline. It demands an understanding of the market, a keen eye for analysis, and a steady hand to execute trades. The key to success in pre-market trading lies in knowledge and preparation. Equip yourself with the right tools, the right information, and the right mindset. Understand the trends, analyze the data, and make your move. Pre-market trading is not a gamble, it's a calculated risk. It's about making the most of the opportunities that come your way. It's about maximizing profits and minimizing losses. It's about playing the market at its own game and coming out on top. Remember, the early bird catches the worm. In pre-market trading, the early trader catches the profit. It requires dedication and effort, but the rewards can be substantial. It's about taking control of your trading destiny. So, dare to rise before the sun. Dare to take the road less traveled. Dare to maximize your profits with pre-market trading. It's not just about trading, it's about trading smarter. It's about trading with an edge. And remember, the world belongs to those who get up early. The world of pre-market trading, that is. So, rise and shine, seize the opportunity, and embark on the exciting journey of pre-market trading. The hour is early, the world is quiet, but the market is buzzing. Are you ready to join in? Experience the thrill of outsmarting the market, seize opportunities, and elevate your trading game with our pre-market trading strategies. The time to act is now. Learn how to navigate the quiet turbulence of the pre-market scene, turn calculated risks into rewarding returns, and become a confident early bird trader. Step into the world of pre-market trading, where opportunity rises with the sun, and success is only a strategic move away. Harness the power of the pre-market, where the early riser catches the best trades. Outsmart the market, elevate your game, and lay the foundation for your financial success. With our pre-market trading strategies, we illuminate your path to financial growth. Take control, make your moves, and watch your investments soar. Access the untapped world of early trading, where the right strategies can lead to substantial gains. With our guidance, the pre-market is yours to conquer. Experience the thrill of early trading as you unlock the secrets of the pre-market. Our strategies guide you to make smarter decisions, leading to lucrative opportunities. Discover the art of early trading and leverage our strategies to navigate the pre-market landscape confidently. Uncover new paths to amplify your financial growth. Step into the world of dawn trading, where every early decision can lead to significant financial gains. Let our strategies be your guiding light. Harness the power of dawn trading with our strategies. Navigate the pre-market confidently, maximize returns, and redefine your financial growth trajectory. With our expert strategies, turn the challenging pre-market into a goldmine of opportunities. Redefine your financial journey with smart early trading decisions. Explore the untapped potential of pre-market trading with our expert strategies. Embark on a journey of financial prosperity through informed early trading decisions. Leverage our unique dawn trading strategies to seize the potential of pre-market moves and drive your financial success forward. Unlock your financial potential with our proven dawn trading strategies. Embark on a secure financial journey with informed, early market decisions. Leverage the quiet hours before the market opens to gain a decisive edge with our expert dawn trading strategies. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of early trading, making profitable moves with our innovative dawn trading strategies designed for your financial progress. Dive into the lucrative world of pre-market trading with our expertly crafted strategies designed to boost your financial growth exponentially. Experience the power of informed decision-making with our dawn trading strategies, tailored to maximize your financial prowess in the pre-market realm. Harness the serenity of the early trading hours to make strategic moves, ensuring prosperous financial growth with our dawn trading strategies. Enhance your financial acumen by leveraging our expert dawn trading strategies, designed to enable seamless pre-market transactions for maximized profits.